Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So today it's Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi Purnima, আমাদের বাঙালিদের Rakhi Purnima. আজকে আমি একটা recipe share করতে যাচ্ছি. So I'm going to share a recipe with Elish. So the your brothers, sisters, you can prepare this recipe with Hilsa or Elish. Who doesn't want to have that Elish recipe? It's a stinky flavor and ashte gondo. So there will be a recipe for that. It's a Sizzler Elish platter. So just go through the recipe and prepare the recipe. And one more thing I want to share, that I'm taking a break from social media and YouTube. Don't think that I'm closing my YouTube channel. No, not at all. I'm very happy for showing me love for so many years. I started the channel since 2013. So I'm taking a break. Before I'm going for the break, I'm sharing this recipe which I invented, the Elish platter, Sizzler platter. So please try this recipe. Surprise your brother and obviously your husband or your father, mother, everybody. So I take a break from YouTube channel, and I hope everybody will show the love and my previous recipes and videos we have. Just go through it, and I will be back with some more exciting videos. It will be recipe, it will be workout, it will be some places as well. So stay tuned with my channel. Don't forget to see my recipes. Till then I'm back, and I really love you all, and just try the recipe. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm ready with this all ingredients, and we will start cooking that Elish Sizzler Elish. That is a full meal. If you ask me, I am typical Bengali. I will prefer that Elish Machher Jhol and Bhapa Elish, but for a change, I can definitely try this Sizzler. And yes, I shared another recipe as well. So what I have, this is the Elish, one piece. I'm preparing with one piece, and this is chopped onion. This is hang curd or tok doi, and here this is coriander, dhone, and this is cumin powder, jeera powder. This is homemade garam masala powder. You can use any garam masala powder. And this is sliced or flakes garlic and ginger, little bit, because I want that Elish flavor or taste intact. This is tomato sauce or normal tomato sauce or ketchup, and this is Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm not using red chili powder. If you like more spicy, you can use that. I will serve the sizzler with ghee bhat or clarified butter. The rice will be tossed with clarified butter, so little bit of, because that's why I'm just preparing the rice. So little bit of clarified butter or ghee, and then I will add some rice. So here goes the rice. I'm not adding any salt in it. Just need to toss a bit. Enough. Give it a quick stir. So there will be a flavor of ghee, and Sizzler Elish will be better with this ghee bhat. Not much, and I'm done. And now I have to marinate the Elish, and I have to fry it. So little bit of salt and little bit of chili powder. So mix it well, both side. I'm not adding any turmeric in this recipe, so I have to keep it aside for 5 minutes to 7 minutes maximum, and then I will shallow fry it, the Elish. Now I will shallow fry the Elish. So first of all, I'll add some white oil and some ghee or clarified butter. Not much, just a drop, that's it. Let it heat for some time, and then I will fry the Elish, and I will make the sauce in this remaining oil. And now I will fry the Elish carefully. Both sides you need to fry, and shallow fry definitely. You can see it's already fried, shallow fried. So I'll switch off the gas, and I'll keep it aside, and I'll prepare the sauce. So it's off. Carefully. So it's shallow fried from both sides. And now I will prepare the sauce. First I will start with the onion. So let me start with the onion. Can you hear somebody is singing outside? Whenever I try to cook something or shoot, I don't know how people come to know and they started singing or whatever. Actually, I don't have to put any background music for that. And now I will add that ginger garlic flakes and of course the tomatoes. I keep some tomato for garnish purpose. And then this is coriander and cumin. And this is Kashmiri mirch. I'm not adding much because I fried the fish with that Kashmiri mirch in the marination. So I have to cook it. And tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, whatever you want and whatever you have in your home. So now I have to cook it till these are done. But the masala, the spices can burn, so I'm adding a little bit of water. This is the nuska I always learn from my mother. So I'll cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. Let me check it's done or not. So yes, it's red and the masala cooked properly. And now I will add some curd and of course some water. And then give it a stir properly. Okay, the background music, I mean the person is still singing, I can hear it, so it's nice. And now I'll cover it for a couple of minutes and I'll let it cook. And time to check again. Okay, so the sauce is done. Now I will season with some salt, not much, little bit, and some Garam Masala Powder, again not much, little bit, and mix it up. And now I will add the fish and let it dry. The sauce will be dry, not this runny. So in a high flame I'll keep this here for cooking. It will take some time, so I'll be back. And our rice is done and the fish is done, including the sauce. So I'll just assemble it. And that is the sizzler plate, the iron one, and I keep it to be very hot, so have to handle it very carefully. So I'm going to do the assemble part. So just see the step carefully. This is the sizzler plate, the wooden one. Now I'm going to place the iron one, which is super hot. So very carefully I have to do it. Switch off the gas already. Don't touch it. And here you go. Now I have to place this leaf, and then again I will put this, assemble the rice over here. It can splutter, so don't worry about that, but carefully with your hand, very careful. I'll clean the surface later. And now I will place the Hilsa fish over here, press it down, the sauce over here, and some more butter, So Sizzler Hilsa is ready to serve and serving with ghee rice. For this kind of recipe, you just take Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can get the Hilsa recipes and some more recipes, unique recipes over there. And you can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, or from Facebook or Zomato or Google Madhurima's Kitchen. You can place food order. So enjoy.